my crafty friends. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and thrilled that you're here with me. Welcome to our November Cultivated Creativity sneak peek. I'm really excited to share this one with you. It's elegant, it's peaceful, and it has just the right amount of sparkle, right? This month we are featuring the Peace on Earth bundle from our Stampin' Up! Holiday Mini Catalog. The projects in this kit are truly special. You'll be creating beautiful thinking of you, sympathy, friendship, and love themed projects that carry a calming, heartfelt feel. Of course, you can use what you've got at home as well. You don't have to have the featured Stampin' Die bundle. Our designs are going to feature soft tones, natural tones, and a touch of shimmer from the Peaceful Garden Glimmer Paper. And as always, each project is pre-cut, ready to assemble, and designed for you to learn new techniques while having fun, right? So this month, I'm going to teach you how to alter your die cut labels to customize the shapes, giving you a little bit more versatility and creative freedom with your dies. It's such a simple trick that totally changes the look of your designs. And once you learn it, you're going to use it over and over and over again. So you want to see what's inside our November kit. Of course, you get all the consumables that you need to create the 4 cards and one not a card, which this month is a coordinating giftable project. So first up, we've got this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous white on white card. I love a white on white card. Now we do the insides as well. I'm not going to show you those because I don't want to give that away, right? That's just for our guests, our participants. Our next project here, nice deep blues. I love this one. This one is a fun fold. I'm not going to show you all of that detail, right? And then we've got this one, lovely, lovely, lovely. And this one here, love the shimmer glimmer. And then our not a card right here. Now, I'm not going to tell you, we always include the special surprise of what goes into the not a card project. So if it's intended to be a giftable of some sort, you've got that treat or gift or whatever it is inside. And this month is an extra special one that I know that everyone's going to enjoy, or at least I hope so, right? So you can choose in our crafty kits. You can choose to add on the bundle. We do that for retail price and which includes the stamp set and the dies, right? Now, this particular bundle is currently out of stock, but it is expected back in late November. And of course, I'm going to be watching that closely so that anyone that does add the bundle to their kits, I will be able to order those right away. Yeah, I just don't want you to miss out on it, but I promise it's going to be worth the wait. And for an extra creative touch this month, we're featuring the Peaceful Greenery 3D embossing folder as a bonus add-on. And you're going to see that as you saw that in that white card. Gorgeous. It's just stunning. So even though we will emboss that for this month's kit, you're going to want that embossing folder in your collection so that you can keep creating long after your kit is complete. Now, if you've been thinking about joining Cultivated Creativity, this is the perfect time to hop in. Each month, you're going to receive beautifully curated paper crafting experience that's designed to save you some time because we do the prep work for you, teach you something new. Each kit includes a video overview, and a step-by-step PDF tutorial. We're going to help you grow your creativity, whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter. And most importantly, we're going to bring you joy every time a new box of creativity lands on your doorstep. So exciting. I love hearing from my subscribers who say opening their monthly kit feels like Christmas morning. And that's exactly the experience you two have. All right. So right now, the program is sold out. We're working on a wait list. But again, I'm going to be opening a few spots in November for this amazing Peaceful Greenery kit. And if you'd like to join the fun and experience the joy of cultivated creativity yourself, be sure you get on the wait list, right? There's going to be a few spots opening up, and that's where I'm going to release them first. So I've got a link below in the video description. So just go ahead and check that out, get in on that wait list, or you can go directly to my website, CreativeLeeYours.com, and you'll see Cultivated Creativity right on that homepage. So thank you guys for spending a few minutes with me today. I cannot wait for you to create these beautiful projects and learn this month's special label altering technique. Until next time, my friends, keep crafting, keep sharing, and keep spreading joy. Bye for now.